Yo, what is up, you guys? So just now I bought this MotoMaster Eliminator Ultra AGM battery from Canadian Tire. So as you can see, this is $199.99, and with taxes it comes to $220, and actually it's $189. But I didn't bring in my old battery for to exchange it, so they charged me $20. But I'm gonna go home and replace the old battery and then bring it back and get my $20 back. So yeah, I've been seeing a lot of reviews about this, and a friend and also a cousin who told me they got this, and they are like, it's amazing. Whenever you come to start your car or anything, you don't see any you know how you try to start the car, those your interior dome lights or map lights, they kind of dim because of your starter taking a lot of current. But they say with this battery it's not the case, so I'm just gonna go try it on and let you guys know my review about it. So now it's time to remove the old battery, like this, or not. Okay, yeah, so yeah, this way. We gotta go the old-fashioned way. It's gonna take forever, so I'll just cut the video here. Alright guys, now this is day 2. Got the proper tools, and day 2 because this thing, I fucked it up on my other battery. Because last time I removed the terminal and put it back on. I over torqued this bolt and it fucked up. So when I was removing it, I fucked up all this connector right here. So I had to order one from Honda, and I just replaced this whole thing. So yeah, this is the old battery. By the way, this old battery lasted me 9 years. Yep, 9 years. Because this car is a 07. I'm the second owner. The previous owner told me he never changed the battery, and it died in 2016. So yeah, it lasted 9 years. Pretty good. And obviously the reason why I went with the Ultra AGM instead of getting another OEM is because I heard that the Ultra AGMs are the best batteries out there. So yeah, now let's go ahead and start it for the first time. Oh yeah, fires right up. As you can see, my car now has 276,842 kilometers, and my check engine light right there is for my oxygen sensor. Right. So yeah, I'm just gonna let this run for a while and update you guys later on. Here is a before startup with my almost dead battery. Oh yeah. So yeah, let's call this the dim test and see how good or bad it is. All right. So this is the dim test after the new AGM battery. Oh well.